Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers from 1 to 20. We will be writing all these numbers and filling these missing numbers. So let us get started. We will write all these numbers. This is 1. 1. What comes after 1? Comes 2. Number 2. Then what comes after number 2? 3. We have the number 3. What comes after number 3? 4. We will write the number 4. What comes after 4? 5. We will write number 5. What comes after number 5? 6. We will write 6. What comes after number 6? 7. We will write number 7. What comes after number 7? 8. We will write 8. What comes after number 8? 9. We will write number 9. What comes after number 9? 10. We will write number 10. What comes after number 10? 11. We will write 11. What comes after number 11? 12. We will write 12. What comes after number 12? 13. We have 13. What comes after number 13? 14. We will write number 14. What comes after number 14? 15. We will write number 15. What comes after number 15? We will write 16. Number 16. What comes after number 16? 17. We will write 17. What comes after number 17? 18. We will write 18. What comes after 18? We will write 19. 19. What comes after 20? What comes after 19? 20. We will write number 20. I hope you like writing all these numbers and filling all these missing numbers. So we will read the numbers once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids for watching and writing this with me. Do like and subscribe.